the Indian men are reluctantly facing a disoriented sense of gender justice, access red tape, and misuse of law above everything else. After Atul Subhash, another young man from Delhi called Puneet has committed suicide while observing the cooling off period which was granted to them by the court under section 13B of the Hindu Marriage Act. Now the question here arises whether the law has turned its back on the men of India, whether the law has turned blind about the current situation of the men of India, whether women are abusing their powers and the legal system. These instances have raised many questions. The first question is whether certain laws should be made gender neutral and should be applicable to both men and women, because when you are only supporting one particular gender, it tries to bring forth an idea of gender justice which is more about suppressing the other gender rather than bringing both of them at equal powers. The second question that arises is how can the system bring a more foolproof mechanism so that the abuse can be reduced? And the third question that arises over here is whether the cooling off period in certain cases of divorce should be given up or waived off where the parties are absolutely reluctant on taking divorces. Please do let me know your opinion in the comment section below. Bye guys, make your day great.